Hello, I am Mayuri Samanta. I hope you all are doing well in your life. So today is fourth day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 3, and today my topic is variables in Java. So variable is like a container which holds the value when Java program is executed. It is the name of the memory location where the value is located. It simply we can say it is the name of memory location. The word variable is made with two words, vary plus able. So it means we can change the value of the variable. So there are three types of variables in Java: static, non-static, that is instance variable, and local variable. So I will start with local variable first. So local variable are those variable which are declared inside the method, so it is method specific. Other methods don't even aware of that this variable exists in that method. So it cannot be static, and local variable should be initialized before we use it. Now I will say about the instance variable. So instance variable are those variable which are declared inside the class but outside the method. It is specific, means we can say for every new object the value can be different, and it does not get memory at the compile time, it gets memory at the runtime. We can only use the instance variable by creating the object, we can't use it directly. But the methods, non-static method can use the instance variable without creating the object, but when it's come to static, it cannot use it. It has to create the object for using the instance variable. And instance variable are not mandatory to initialize before we use it. If it is primitive data type, then we can say the default value is 0, and if it is a reference variable type, then we can say the default value is null. Now I will say about static variable. So the variable which is declared as static is known as static variable, and static variable are shared among all the instances. It is loaded only once when the class is loaded. So for every instances it creates the static value will be similar for all. So if I am changing the value from one object, then it will change for all the instances of that particular class. So it is known as static. And in case of static variable also, we don't need to initialize it before using. For the primitive data type, it will give 0 as the default value, and for the referential data type, it will give value as null by default. So this is all about variables in Java. Thank you.